Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. I am here to film a Barbie makeup look. Just last weekend, Friday actually, Barbie movie was released and almost एक महीने से पहले बहुत हाइप था, बहुत टाइम से हाइप था. एक्चुअली यूएस में तो बहुत ही हाइप था, फिर अभी थोड़ा बहुत हाइप इंडिया में भी हो गया था अराउंड अ मंथ्स टाइम. I wanted to film this video a long time back. I don't know if I'm late, but VIPs always are never on time. So I'm late, but I'm going to be filming this video for you guys. So if you are interested in the content that I make, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you like this video, and share it with your friends and family members. Also, please turn on the bell notification button because you will be notified every time I upload, and that also is important, right? And follow me on Instagram. Last thing. Okay, let's get started right now. वैसे मैंने मेरा स्किन केयर कर लिया है, बट आई विल बी यूजिंग एम्ब्रोलेस क्रीम. This is like a primer slash moisturizing cream, so I will be using it because I am going to be I'm going to be doing a full coverage makeup, and that's why skin prep is very important for me right now, so that I don't get dry patches or cracks or things of that sort. Okay, let me tell you a little secret. It's a secret between you and me, alright? Fun fact is that I hate Barbie. I hate Barbies. मुझे बचपन में भी पसंद नहीं थे, अभी भी पसंद नहीं है, बट इतने लोगों को देखकर मुझे भी मन हो गया कि मेकअप लुक करते हैं. वैसे मैं कब पिंक मेकअप करूँगी, तो इसी बहाने आई थॉट कि चलो बहाने में बहाना, लेट्स मेक दिस वीडियो. एंड इसीलिए आई एम डूइंग फॉर द प्राइमर. आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग कलर बार्स परफेक्ट मैच प्राइमर. आई हेट बार्बी बिकॉज आई hate the stereotyping that comes with, a doll has to be certain shape, certain eyes. I hate stereotyping of anything, so I hate Barbie. And I was बचपन में मुझे पसंद नहीं था because I was always a tomboy. I've never been the girly girl until I think up until I started my YouTube channel. I was never a girly girl. I love to buy makeup. I love to buy a lot of things. I am a shopaholic. But जब मेरे YouTube channel start करना था, तभी I don't know why I felt like let's try out all the makeup that I have, and that's how I came to start loving using makeup, because it was kind of therapeutic for me. But I was never a girly girl, and my sister attests to that fact as well. तो या दैट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड मी नॉट लाइकिंग बारबी. पहले तो मैं बचपन में टॉम बॉय थी, अभी भी मोस्टली टॉम बॉय ही हूँ. यूल सी मी वेयरिंग टी शर्ट्स मोर देन दीज गर्ली ड्रेसेस. ऑल्दो आई हैव अ ग्रेट चॉइस, बट समहाउ आई डोंट फील दैट फ्लैटर्स ऑन मी फॉर वट एवर रीज़न. सो दैट्स दैट. Anywhoze, back to the video. मैंने प्राइमर लगा लिया है, अच्छे से ये सेट हो गया है, लाइक मेरे स्किन में घुस गया है. तो चलो आज हम लोग करते हैं प्लस साइज इंडियन Barbie that has a lot of texture. So I am going to be breaking all the stereotypes, I suppose. But yeah, जब हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तो बारबी में सिर्फ वही अंग्रेज़ी वाली बारबी आती थी. अब तो हर रेस, हर कैटेगरी की बारबी मिलती है. बट या माई सिस्टर यूज टू लव बारबीज, आई यूज टू हेट बारबीज. बारबी मेकअप है तो यू नीड अ फ्लॉलेस बेस, बिकॉज उसकी स्किन अपेरेंटली परफेक्ट होती है. तो मैं हाइड्रा ग्लो प्राइमर भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, आई हैव एक तो ये पिंक है, और राइट आई एम यूजिंग 2-3 प्राइमर्स ताकि मेरी स्किन अच्छे से प्रेप हो जाए एंड मेकअप फ्लॉलेस दिखे, जैसे बारबी को दिखना है हमेशा. Isn't that the whole point of the Barbie thingy? So yeah, just don't hate me or don't call on me, but I'm sure a lot of people will agree that stereotyping is not good. I am so happy about that. And for today's video I will be inaugurating these Mars brushes जो कि मेरी vanity में सड़ के पड़ के मर रहे थे, simply because last night I finally decided that I will wash my brushes, because as much as you are taking care of your skin by using all the products, eating the right food, cleaning your makeup tools is also very important, especially for people like me. you know Wait a minute, that's a pretty bird, like really pretty bird, right in front of my camera. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm blind, by the way. Not been using lenses for the longest time. And this video is going all over the place, but those birds are sitting right in front of my house. They're like damn beautiful with their beak and everything, and they're not gross. Yes, they're very beautiful, so damn good. They have this big beak and they're so beautiful. Okay, I'm digressing right now. Let's get back to the topic. So yeah, I'm using these Mars brushes. So in sorts I will give you quick review of these brushes भी दे दूंगी, क्योंकि I think a lot of people have already reviewed these brushes, so I don't know if you guys would be interested in it. First impressions of the outer packaging. Amazon, I hate you sometimes. You just send things just like that, or you send 10,000 covers and whatnot. Because it's finally out, but the inner packaging is in this plastic, but ऊपर से ये suede material लगा दिया है, which is making it look really luxe. The brushes itself are damn beautiful, like they're so pretty. I'm so distracted by those words. एंड मैं अभी कौन सा फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर रही हूँ? आई एम यूजिंग हुदा ब्यूटीज़ फाउंडेशन. आई हैव गॉट इट इन द शेड Amarati 310G. I was very tired. No, I was very tan when I bought this particular foundation. Right now my shade is a little bit lighter side, so I will be mixing Mama Earth's Glow Serum foundation just to kind of balance that out a little bit. I'm not doing anything magic over here. So I am going to be dotting this pattern. I forget to speak, as I've told you a million times already. So I will be dotting this on my entire face. My forehead has the biggest real estate on my face, so that requires a lot of coverage. The reason I am going in for full coverage is because apparently Barbie has the most flawless skin and the most flawless features. I'm using Mars ka ye flat kabuki brush, which is supposedly very very good. This became a perfect shade for me. Also, ignore the construction. I've told you in my videos that I have houses being constructed like back and forth, and I tried to wait for months together for them to just stop doing it, but they are not stopping it, and I kind of want to move on with my life, and I want to do more daylight videos of sorts. So that is why I am going to be torturing you guys along with me on this particular journey. By the way, you guys, I'll try to mute as much as I can and I will fast forward it, but I wanted to give you a heads up in case you find that I'm not being professional. I'm sorry. Right off the bat, the foundation brush is really really good. It blended my foundation so seamlessly, so beautifully, and it was so effortless to blend this full coverage foundation. Yeah, that's a good thing, right? To be using this setting spray from pack. It's the micro finisher makeup fixer, so I'll be using because I want the makeup to stay put and stay longer. For concealer, I'll be using Mama Earth's concealer in the shade 01 Ivory Glow. This has no coverage in it whatsoever. I am going to be using it only to brighten my under eyes a tiny bit. To set my under eyes, I am going to be using Mama Earth's Glow Oil Control Compact. I am going to be setting it under my eyes. And I am using E01 brush for that. This is a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for highlighter, you can use it for concealer, and you can use it for setting your under eyes. A fantastic brush. Bristles are really soft. For eyes, I have couple of palettes with me. I have the Jaclyn Hill's palette, which has pretty beautiful pinks in it, neon pinks in it. And then I have Rose Quartz palette, which has these beautiful cool tone pinks in it. I can use this shimmer as well. And finally use James Charles Morphe palette, which has been rotting and lying in my collection, so I could use that as well. And it has got some pinks over here which I can definitely make use of. It in this palette is humongous. Okay, so I'll be taking in this bright pink and I will be doing Bismillah to this palette. By the way, the brush that I used was E03. Then I'm going in with E02 to blend it out. Oh my god, this is pigmentation promise. Also, I have this beautiful baby pinkish color, which I am going to be taking in to blend a little bit more so that we don't have harsh edges. Just like that, it's looking beautiful. And then I'll be using the shade called as Tipsy Girl. Oh mama, this is so pigmented though. The outer corner, just like that. Can you see the difference in the pink? I am extending that as much as I can and slowly bringing it here. Oh Baba, this is so beautiful. Let me just come a little closer and show you guys. Doesn't this look gorgeous? Using my Swiss Beauty concealer to kind of cut the crease a little bit. I've cut crease on both the sides of my eyes. Now it's time to set that. For glitter, I was thinking maybe of doing something like this. It looks really Barbie-esque. So the shade that I picked up was from this palette. This is that gorgeous shade that I'm thinking of applying it. Inner corners, I'll be taking it from here, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just like that. For the black eyeliner, I will be using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. This is the most perfect eyeliner you could find. Unfortunately, I had to stop the video and I tried to do my eyeliner off camera because तीनों घर में grilling, drilling, hammering सब शुरू हो गया था and it became too annoying even for me, so let alone for you guys. I am using Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is one of the best mascaras you can find. If you don't want to apply falsies, this is the mascara you need to reach out to. So I'm taking in the same flash shader brush and I am using in the same shades that I pretty much used for the top on the bottom. So there's nothing much I have to tell you guys. You guys, my eye makeup is totally complete. I have to do my eyebrows though, so let's do that. Be using precisely my brow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown, I suppose, and I'll fill in my brows really quick before I do the rest of my face and call it a day. How precise this one is. Just tell you about the makeup brushes. So far they are doing phenomenal. I'm really loving it. So I'm going to be using this fluffy kind of a brush, and I am going to be using Just Herbs lip and cheek tint in the shade 02 Peachy Coral. It's a sort of a pinky shade. To set that in place, like that cream blush in place, I'm using the same pearlescent, sorry, fantastic plastic pink, suits the Barbie theme really perfectly. It's got tiny shimmer particles as well, so I am going to be using that to set it. I've used a little bit extra blush because it's Barbie, and to contour my face I am going to be using NY Base contour stick in the shade Toffee, because Barbie has the perfect cheekbones, you see. Same brush, and I will be contouring my face with it. Now let me set everything in. So for lips I have couple of options. I have one of the shade from Nykaa, which is the shade Bound 08. I also have Maybelline's 30. I was thinking of going in with Mesmerizing Magenta. I've never seen me in this much pink, you guys. This is a lot of pink. Alright, you guys, this is my finished look. I have worn the brightest neon pink I've ever worn in my life, and this is the Barbie look that I have created, and I really love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it as well. I loved having fun in creating this beautiful makeup, although I would have wished the environment was much better, but then no worries, I love it. And you let me know in the comments if you did too. I'll see you guys in the next one.